World Peace, a poem by Neena Sharma from Inspirations by Neena. Yes, I am because you are. Ubuntu, Ubuntu, Ubuntu. One is the word for all of us. Our God is one, the magical power within. Our sun is one, vibrant and embraced. Our moon is one, angelic and calm. Then why our earth can't be one? We fight for the land when we know it is just sand. We shall all get merged within and shall be charged for our doings. There is immense power in unity. There is immense power in unity that takes us happily towards trinity. Let us mark a name in the history, not for destruction and war, but for the construction of human power. Remember that you shall be thanked for your actions, if positive it is for the next generations. Every person has a meaning. Every person has the right to make the most out of life. Let us push back our egos and pull back our pride. Let us work together for the world peace and develop oneness in all. Our thoughts hold immense power. Our thoughts hold immense power. If we wish, we can create a peace shower to pour our love and kindness around. Let us uphold the peace torch world over. Let us uphold the peace torch world over and upstand applause for the peace lovers. Remember that you shall be thanked for your actions, if positive it is for the next generations. Thank you all for watching. It is a love-filled message for all from Inspirations by Neena. God bless all.